What's up? I'm Coach Mario at Fitness on Fire. I'm going to give you a HYROX prep workout. First off, we got a 10-second heavy sled push. Second exercise, dumbbell shoulder rack carry for a minute. After that, on the treadmill, do an active 2-minute recovery running. And we're gonna do that for 5 rounds. Let's get going. First up, 10-second heavy sled push. Why 10 seconds? It's short and sweet. Gonna activate as many muscle fibers as I can with a heavy sled. If that's too easy for 10 seconds, I'll slap some more weight on there, activate more muscle fibers. Just get ready for heavy sled pushes so that race weight will be easy. All right, next up we got the shoulder heavy carry. I'm doing this exercise because I just trained for a marathon a few months ago and I need to get back into strength training. So I'm getting my body used to carrying some weight, having some load on top of me, and I'm gonna carry this for a minute before I put them down and get running. Third exercise, active recovery, 2 minutes of running. Reason I like the active recovery, I'm letting myself bring my heart rate down. I'm catching my breath, flushing out the lactic acid from carrying the weights, and also close to the end of this 2 minutes, I'm thinking about getting back into that sled nice and tight and pushing again for that next round when I'm ready. And that's for 5 rounds. So again, I'm doing this workout because I came off of that marathon training, getting the heavy sleds back in, strength endurance with the carries. And if you like that, you need that for your workout, put them in, you'll get ready for HYROX. If you want to get ready for HYROX with us, come and check us out. We've got our YouTube channel, Fitness on Fire, got our gym in Irvine. Come and train with us. Love to see you there.